This is a project I've been working on at Berkeley called Mesos. It used to be called Nexus, and we changed the name because of a conflict with another university's project. So I've tried to do my due diligence and change all the parts in the talk where it says Nexus to Mesos, but if I missed one, just run some sed or awk or whatever you use in your head and change it over. So it's a project that came out of the RAD lab. The three core students that work on is myself, Andy Konwinski, and Matej Zaharia. And then we have a whole host of great faculty that work with us. Anthony Joseph, Randy Katz, Scott Schenker, Jan Stoika, and even a postdoc, Ollie Goetze. Okay, so this talk is all about the data center and the stuff that gets run in the data center. So what does the data center look like today? Well, you guys probably have a much better idea than I do, coming from academia. But what we see in the data center is you run lots of different applications or lots of different services. And you can kind of classify these things into a couple different places. There's your front ends, which are oftentimes receiving queries directly from users, like your web servers, your Apaches, your application servers, your Mongrels and Unicorns for Ruby on Rails, or your Tomcats, or whatever other application servers you're running. There's the middleware, which I think is the most interesting space, which is all these apps that run in the data center that most people don't realize run in the data center, and they're doing a lot of the interesting work. They're doing file conversions. On Gmail, when you go to convert some file, some service somewhere gets hit somewhere in the cluster, which gets this data, does some conversion on it, and then pushes it someplace else. Search is sometimes sitting there. There's spell checkers, and over lunch we were talking about a few other services that maybe exist here at LinkedIn that look a lot like this. And then there's more backend-like things. There's caches, there's key value stores, which often serve the front ends. There's your databases. And then, of course, there's your batch and analytics, your Hadoops, and your MPIs.